So this is the walk from the car, and this takes you down to Lumbholefalls, and this is what I'm talking about. Very treacherous. Doesn't go on for too long. It's probably about 10 minutes, which is long enough if you're not fit. So just make sure you're walking with the right footwear on, because it can be an absolute nightmare, especially if it's wet as well. So just be mindful of that. So yeah, definitely worth the walk, I'll say. So today we start our magical journey at Lumbholefalls in Yorkshire. Weather's a little bit hit and miss, but anyway, I'm going to take you guys with us. So this is definitely a truly magical place for sure, and you definitely dream about places like this. This is Lumbholefalls in Yorkshire. I'll put the postcode in the description, just to bear in mind as well, there's not much car parking space up there, but very treacherous coming down, so bear that in mind. And make sure you've got good walking boots on. One of the ancient outbuildings at the top of the hill at Lumbholefalls. Anyway, thanks for coming with us today on this journey today in Yorkshire. If you're new to the channel, please click subscribe and hit the little bell as well, and you'll be notified of more great videos as we do them, because we're trying to grow the channel, and we'd appreciate your support. So all the best for now, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you real soon.